In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or a feedback form, knowing how to properly add questions is crucial to collecting the information you need. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. Simply open your web browser and type in forms.office.com. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Forms homepage. Once you're there, locate and open the form you want to edit. This is the form to which you'll be adding your questions. If you don't see your form immediately, you might need to navigate through your existing projects or use the search feature to find it. Once you have your form opened, look for the plus add new button. This button appears as a plus icon, and clicking it will allow you to add new elements to your form. When you click on it, a menu will appear that gives you several options for question types. You need to choose the type of question that best suits the information you're trying to gather. For example, you can select from options like choice, text, rating, and date. There are even more question types available if you click on more question types. After you've selected the type of question you want to add, proceed to enter your question text. In the provided field, type the question you want to ask your respondents. Be clear and concise to ensure that your respondents know exactly what information you're seeking. If you've chosen a choice question type, this is the time to enter the options that respondents can choose from. Simply type each option into the respective fields. It's important here to consider all possible answers to ensure you capture the data you need. Now, once you've crafted your question and its possible answers, it's a good idea to preview your form. To do this, click Preview to see exactly how your form will appear to your respondents. This step is crucial as it allows you to check your form for clarity, structure, and appearance. If something doesn't look or work quite right, you can go back and make adjustments before sharing it. Finally, rest assured that Microsoft Forms automatically saves your changes. So once you've added your questions and reviewed your form, there's no need to worry about losing your work. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding questions in Microsoft Forms. Now you can confidently create forms that are clear, functional, and catered to your data collection needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.